Hello, this is okay, it's 8:35 p.m. So I use this um well I mix in some water, the salt water and I brush my teeth with it and rinse it out thoroughly. And then I did the oil pulling for you see this organic. It doesn't say have to say extra virgin, but virgin coconut oil. And so I switched the oil in my mouth for 20 minutes, and then spit it out into here. I put the excuse me. I put the paper in here, like Kleenex and stuff. I have to blow my nose, I guess, so it won't look so gross to y'all. But for y'all who don't know, this is how your oil pull. You take a tablespoon, or sometimes you start off with a teaspoon if you're not used to it. But I can just, put some in my mouth and then switch the oil around. Put a timer on your phone and switch the oil. Don't swallow or spit it out for 20 minutes. Don't swallow it at all, because they said that all the bacteria and germs, you don't want to put it down your throat. So also don't put it down the drain, because it can clog up drains. So you can put it in a trash bag. Don't put it down the toilet or the tub. You can put it in the trash. Spit it in the trash. So I'm still feeling a little congested. But after I oil pulled and I spit it out after 20 minutes, wow, it seems like as if all of my guts and every organ in my body wanted to spit up, and almost like doo-doo and I didn't make doo-doo, but it seemed like it was trying to come out. You know how when you gag hard when you throw up, when you vomit? Well, that's what just happened, but except it was a lot of mucus came up out of my chest and stuff like that. And I almost thought I was gonna vomit, and I almost thought I was gonna vomit, and I kept gagging and stuff. So I guess that's a good sign and road to recovery. Even tonight, I saw the the boil or the abscess in my mouth. I saw looked like a little pus trying to come out. So I brushed my teeth. I lost count whether it was 3 or 4 times that I brushed my teeth with the salt water. So I don't have a physical spoon with me, and I'm used to oil pulling. I haven't done it in a while. But some people say it can cure all disease or a multitude of diseases if you do it on an empty stomach every if you do it on an empty stomach every morning for 20 minutes. And it's hard at first, but you got to train yourself to get used to it. So this is how I do it. But pretend it's 20 minutes, but I'm not going to leave it in for 20 minutes. I'm just putting it in for like maybe 30 seconds and then spit it out and show y'all how to do oil pulling. Some people say floss and then brush your teeth really good and then do the oil pulling. So this is how you do it. So pretend it's 20 minutes and do it for 20 minutes. Excuse me for being gross. So I don't know if I should just, start that back up again with the with the oil pulling. I've been trying every detox thing I can imagine, to try to get this uncomfortable, torturous, ugly thing out of my mouth. So tonight, earlier I took around about 2 o'clock. I took the activated charcoal, trying to clean out, and it helps with the menstrual cramps, and also my bentonite clay. It helps, with menstrual cramps also. I wish I would have known this years ago, but I felt uncomfortable and tortured yesterday with the cramps, but today I feel almost no cramps. So I'm gonna clean my water bottle out, and take my usual nighttime supplements and my bentonite clay. I don't take it every night, the bentonite clay, but only around the menstruation time, or if I feel like I'm really poisoned and need to detox. So I just take a cap full of my already hydrated bentonite clay, and I take a scoopful of my amazing grass green supplement, and also my magnesium. So, the Google search oil pulling with virgin coconut oil or unrefined sesame oil.